years old? 2 years old. Again, she would need to be the only pet in a new home. She's quite nervous of new people. Quite happy with people that she knows, but very nervous of new people. And she would possibly have to be an adult only home. Lovely with people she knows, very affectionate. Just like new people really, she likes. Doesn't like change.
Hello. Oh, good girl.
Ready? No. Do you want to go to bed? Do you want fuss instead? Do you want fuss instead? You like a secret girl.
Molly's going to need owners that are going to give her the security, help her socialise a bit more. She's obviously not had the best start. New owners may need to come down a few times to meet Molly before taking her home. Let her get used to them. As you can see, she does do sit, and she gives paw. She's absolutely great with you once she knows you, as you can see here with David and Emma. She says, I don't believe you.